Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to install and set up your HP LaserJet Pro M1130 series printer on your Windows device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. All you have to do is open up a web browser, and into Google search, you want to search for HP LaserJet Pro M1130 drivers. Best result should come back with an HP support page that says HP LaserJet Pro MFP M130 series software and drivers. Go ahead and open that up. So now you just want to scroll down underneath driver product installation software and select the HP LaserJet Pro MFP M132NW/M132SNW full feature software and drivers. Go ahead and download that. And then once it's downloaded to your system, go ahead and open up that file or package to run it. Give it a moment here. If you receive a user account control prompt, should be a verified publisher, HP Inc. Select yes, and then just pursue with the on-screen wizard here of getting it configured for your device. Just select next and then continue with the end user license agreement, and then install optional software you may need if you're using different features of your printer. And that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.